Hey there, Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a very useful topic to discuss. Conditional formatting in Excel. If you've ever wondered how to make your data stand out based on certain conditions, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. As you can see, I've got a table here that we're going to work with. I just found this online. It's just a random table. It doesn't mean anything, but it'll work for us to demonstrate the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a powerful feature in Excel that allows you to highlight cells or ranges, so cells or ranges, based on specific criteria. It's perfect for visually analyzing data and drawing attention to important insights. So here's how you can apply conditional formatting in Excel. First, you need to select the data range that you want to apply conditional formatting to. So for me, I'm going to do this whole table right up to here. I'm not going to include the headers. Just get rid of this extra header line first. Delete. I'm just going to select this whole table here. When you're selecting data, it could be a single cell, just a column, a row, or again, for us, you could use a whole worksheet if you wanted. But for our purposes today, we're just going to select this table. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to make sure we're on the Home tab here. We are. And we're going to move over to the Conditional Formatting button. This is usually located in the Styles or Font group. You can see here it's in the Styles group. So this is the Conditional Formatting button up here. And when we click on it, we get this drop-down menu. And it has a bunch of options. Highlight cell rules, top and bottom rules, so that you can just have highlighted the top 10 or top 10%. You can highlight it by data. You can create your own rules. So we are going to do a new rule. Or actually, we can do it through here. We will go to text that contains, and we will highlight anything with a number 5. And we can choose what color we want. Red border, red text, light red fill, green fill with green text, yellow fill. We will go with the light red fill. And you can change the format to do however you like. So you can change the border, change the fill color, all kinds of different things. And then we just hit OK. And there you have it. That's the magic of conditional formatting. Any cell in our highlighted area with a number 5 has now been highlighted, so we can quickly see anything with a number 5. Now, in this instance, this isn't too useful, but if you had a large table with thousands of cells and you needed to only highlight men or women or people over the age of 50, you can see how this conditional formatting would be useful for quickly highlighting that data. This can help you quickly identify patterns, trends, or outliers within your data. And so that's it. There you have it. We've successfully applied conditional formatting in Excel. Remember, this feature is incredibly versatile, allowing you to apply conditional formatting based on formulas, data bars, color scales, and even icon sets. So feel free to explore and experiment with different options to make your data visually appealing and easy to interpret. And that wraps up our tutorial on conditional formatting in Excel. I hope you found it helpful and that it brings you a splash of visual excitement to your data analysis. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or specific topics that you'd like us to cover next. Until then, happy formatting!